Welcome back, viewers. Today we'll be doing question 9 of our past question 2025. Now, having a look at it, says the third and the seventh times of an exponential sequence, which is geometric progression, and 9 and 1, 9. Find the first term. Now, to do this, we have the third term to be 9. So, don't forget, the formula is Tn equals a r to the power of n minus 1. And now we have T3, which is the third term, which is a r. Now n is 3, which is 3 minus 1, equals to what? 9. That is, you have your T3, which is a r squared, equals to 9. Okay, secondly, we have the seventh term, which is T7 to be a r 7 minus 1 equals to 1/9. And here you can say that a r 7 minus 1 is 6 equals to 1/9. Now, to get the first term, the first thing you have to do is to get a common ratio. Then you can use that plug in to get the first term. So let's do this. Let's use T7 divided by T3, because we are working with ratios. Now here we have T7 divided by T3. Our T7 is a r to the power of 6, a r to the power of 2. This is 1/9 divided by 9. So now a can cancel out a. So here we have r to the power of 6 dividing r to the power of 2. We have r to the power of 4 equal 1/9 times 1/9. Because if this turns to multiplication, you're going to find the reciprocal, which is 1/81. Now, r to the power of 4 equals to 1/81. Then what is r? To get r, you can say that this is fourth root. You can find the fourth root of r, multiplying by 1/4. 1/81 is the same thing as saying 1/3. Okay? To the power of 4. Multiplying this by 1/4. So finally, you can get the common ratio to be 1/3. What I just did here is the simple indices. Now, let's go back to this T3. Recall that our T3 is a r squared equals to 9. Now, we've gotten what our r is, and we can get what our a is. Now, here we have a multiplying by r, which is 1/3 squared, equals to 9. So here we have a to be equals to, or a multiplying 1/3 squared is the same thing as 1/9 equals to 9. What do? You can cross multiply. So your a can be equals to this multiplying this 9 times 9, and a equals to 81. So finally, our answer is A. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.